Your first question is choosy synonyms. Your options are A. Selective, B. Picky, C. Fuzzy, D. Careless. Your correct answer is option A. Selective. She is very choosy about her clothes. Your second question is chorus synonyms. Your options are A. Refrain, B. Melody, C. Tune, D. Silence. Your correct answer is option A. Refrain. Every sang the Everyone sang the chorus together. Your third question is citadel synonyms. Your options are A. Fortress, B. Stronghold, C. Castle, D. Village. Your correct answer is option A. Fortress. The soldiers protected the citadel. Your fourth question is clairvoyant synonyms. Your options are A. Physic, B. Insightful, C. Visionary, D. Blind. Your correct answer is option A. Physics. The physic predicted the future. Your fifth question is clasp synonyms. Your options are A. Grip, B. Hold, C. Clutch, D. Release. Your correct answer is option A. Grip. She clasped his hand tightly. Your sixth question is clean synonyms. Your options are A. Tidy, B. Neat, C. Pure, D. Dirty. Your correct answer is option A. Tidy. She kept her room clean and tidy. Your seventh question is clement synonyms. Your options are A. Mild, B. Gentle, C. Lenient, D. Harsh. Your correct answer is option A. Mild. The weather was mild and pleasant. Your eighth question is climax synonyms. Your options are A. Peak, B. Summit, C. Height, D. Beginning. Your correct answer is option A. Peak. The story reached its climate at the end. The ninth question is cleansed synonyms. Your options are A. Secured, B. Finalized, C. Confirmed, D. Lost. Your correct answer is option A. Secured. He cleansed the deal successfully. Your tenth question is clustered synonyms. Your options are A. Scheduled, B. Isolated, C. Hidden, D. Open. Your correct answer is option A. Scheduled. They lived in a scheduled place away from the city. Your 11th question is cluster synonyms. Your options are A. Group, B. Bunch, C. Collection, D. Separate. Your correct answer is option A. Group. Cluster of stars shown in the sky. Your 12th question is chordal synonyms. Your options are A. Pamper, B. Spoil, C. Indulge, D. Neglect. Your correct answer is option A. Pamper. She pampers her child too much. Your 13th question is chorus synonyms. Your options are A. Force, B. Compel, C. Pressure, D. Encourage. Your correct answer is option A. Force. He forced him to sign the paper. Your 14th question is coincident synonyms. Your options are A. Chance, B. Accident, C. Luck, D. Plan. Your correct answer is option A. Chance. Your 15th question is collaborate synonyms. Your options are A. Cooperate, B. Work together, C. Assist, D. Complete. Your correct answer is option A. Cooperate. They worked together to complete the project. Your 16th question is collateral synonyms. Your options are A. Security, B. Guarantee, C. Asset, D. Loss. The correct answer is option A. Security. He gave his car his collateral for the loan. Your 17th question is combustible synonyms. Your options are A. Flammable, B. Inflammable, C. Burnable, D. Non flammable. The correct answer is option A. Flammable. Petrol is highly combustible. Your 18th question is commemorate synonyms. Your options are A. Honor, B. Celebrate, C. Remember, D. Forget. Your correct answers are option A. Honor. They honor the heroes every year. Your 19th question is commendable synonyms. Options are A. Praiseworthy, B. Admirable, C. Appreciable, D. Bad. Your correct answer is option A. Praiseworthy. Her work is commendable. Your 20th question is common synonyms. Your options are A. Usual, B. Ordinary, C. Frequent, D. Rare. Your correct answer is option A. Usual. It is a common mistake among students. Your 21st question is com- commotion synonyms. Your options are A. Disturbance, B. Uproar, C. Chaos, D. Silence. The correct answer is option A. Disturbance. There was a loud commotion in the market. Your 22nd question is commute synonyms. Your options are A. Travel, B. Journey, C. Transport, D. Stay. Your correct answer is option A. Travel. He commutes to work every day. Your 23rd question is compensate synonyms. Your options are A. Repay, B. Reimburse, C. Reward, D. Ignore. Your correct answer is option A. Repay. The company compensated him for the loss. Your 24th question is competent synonyms. Your options are A. Capable, B. Skilled, C. Efficient, D. Incomplete, Incompetent. Your correct answer is option A. Capable. She is competent enough to handle the task. Your 25th question is complaint synonyms. Your options are A. Grievance, B. Project, C. Dejection, objection, D. Praise. The correct answer is option A. Grievance. He filed a complaint about the noise. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for daily English learning videos.